Princess,
What?
I am asking you. Spell enemy in 3 letters.
It's E-R-E-A.
3 nga, 3 letters.
3 letters only.
E-R-E-A.
Spell enemy in 3 letters. What's that?
Apple.
Apa?
Apple. I'm busy here. But now, I'm busy.
Spell enemy in 3 letters.
But,
I'll give you chocolate if you answer.
chocolate.
Yeah. Spell enemy in 3 letters.
A.
Spell enemy in 3 letters.
A. N.
Enemy in 3 letters.
Y-O-U.
What?
Y-O-U.
So that's the spelling of enemy, huh?
Yeah.
In 3 letters.
In 3 letters.
Yes.
Repeat.
I-E-U.
Ano